Welcome to our Healthy Pill channel. While you are here, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more healthy tips. Cinnamon is one of the oldest spices. It is also mentioned in the Old Testament, and notes about it exist in Egyptian, Greek and Roman manuscripts. In the past, cinnamon was widely used as a natural remedy for many ailments, and modern scientists have proven its beneficial effects. In this video, we bring you the journey of cinnamon through history and why it is good for healing. Cinnamon, or Cinnamomum zeylanicum, is one of the oldest spices in history. Its name comes from the Jewish and Arabic name amaman, which means fragrant herb. Because of its extremely valuable medicinal properties and appreciation, where at one time it was valued more than gold, it was also called golden cinnamon. It was first mentioned in the Bible, and after that many nations, including the Egyptians, began to enrich their dishes with this spice, either for its fragrance or for its medicinal properties. It was first discovered by the Europeans when the Portuguese conquered Ceylon. The natives of the island took it against fatigue and to boost energy. They even smoked it and used it as a scented oil. The price of cinnamon includes the age was very high, like gold, so the Dutch and the Portuguese fought a 100-year war to get it. At the end of the 19th century, cinnamon ceased to be an English exclusive and spread all over the world. Two types of cinnamon: the sweet spice with an intoxicating smell is obtained by peeling the bark from the thin twigs of an evergreen tree. In doing so, the outer bark is discarded, and the inner one is twisted into sticks. There are hundreds of types of cinnamon, but two are the most famous. One is cassia, Chinese cinnamon, which is produced from a plant with the Latin name Cinnamomum cassia bloom, which has its origins in Burma. Another type of cinnamon is the medicinal Cinnamomum zeylanicum Nees, or Ceylon cinnamon. It has been used since ancient times in the folk medicine of the ancient worlds, and records that speak in favor of it have been found in Greek, Roman and Egyptian manuscripts. The evergreen cinnamon tree belongs to the laurel family, Lauraceae, and the bark of its branches hides precious medicinal properties. The inner layer of bark from young branches is peeled and dried to produce a delicious and medicinal spice. It is a good source of carbohydrates, protein and dietary fiber. It is rich in important minerals such as manganese, calcium, iron, copper, zinc. It also contains vitamin C, K, B2, pyridoxine, and B6, riboflavin. Here are 10 reasons why is cinnamon good in healing. It lowers the blood sugar level. According to research carried out by the UK's largest diabetes organisation, Diabetes UK, Ceylon cinnamon helps lower blood sugar levels in people with type 1 and type 2 diabetes. It has been confirmed that consuming up to 6 grams per day reduces the level of glucose, triglycerides and harmful LDL cholesterol. Protects against Alzheimer's disease. Professor Michael Ovidia, in collaboration with other scientists from the University of Tel Aviv, conducted research that confirmed that the ingredient sept, present in cinnamon bark, prevents the development of Alzheimer's disease with its properties. Numerous studies have proven the connection between cinnamon and its effect on the brain. Simply inhaling cinnamon stimulates brain activity. It stops the progress of multiple sclerosis. Chicago's Rush University has brought new hope for multiple sclerosis patients thanks to Ceylon cinnamon. In the study, scientists found that cinnamon can help stop the progression of multiple sclerosis, a serious disease that affects more and more young people. Treats fungal and bacterial infections. The results of studies conducted by the National Institutes of Health confirm that the compound cinnamaldehyde present in cinnamon plays a significant role in the fight against bacterial and fungal infections. Its regular consumption has been confirmed to alleviate the symptoms of infections, prevent their development and heal the whole organism in a natural way. Honey and cinnamon, a cure for cancer and arthritis. Research conducted in the USA found that cinnamon helps in the fight against many forms of cancer because it reduces the growth and spread of cancer cells. Research conducted in Japan and Australia revealed that the consumption of cinnamon in combination with honey successfully treats stomach and bone cancer. Cinnamon and honey help fight leukemia and prevent the formation and spread of lymphoma. In Europe, the same drug has shown effectiveness in another disease, arthritis. A study conducted in Denmark confirmed that honey and cinnamon help arthritis sufferers already after a week of consecutive therapy. It consisted of half a teaspoon of cinnamon combined with a teaspoon of honey. After a week, the patients reported that they felt pain relief, while after a month, the pain and arthritis symptoms disappeared. Cold and chronic cough. Mix a tablespoon of honey with a quarter of a teaspoon of cinnamon. Consume 3 times a day. Cough and cold symptoms should disappear after 3 days. High cholesterol. Pour 3 teaspoons of cinnamon and 2 tablespoons of honey with 4 dcl of tea. Green tea is recommended. Drink 3 times a day. It has been confirmed that this mixture lowers cholesterol by as much as 10% 2 hours after consumption. Stomach and bone cancer. Consume a mixture of 1 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of honey 3 times a day, for a period of 30 days. Hair loss. Mix 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of honey and a little warm olive oil. Apply this mixture to your hair, leave it for 15 minutes, and then rinse your hair. Insect bites. Mix 2 tablespoons of lukewarm water, 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Rub the mixture on the injection site. After a minute or two, the unpleasant symptoms of pain, burning or itching should disappear. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more healthy and natural tips.